to have a talk with them again.
The Bhoi District Regional Committee on Interstate Boundary, headed by Deputy Chief Minister Prasthant Tinsong, held a meeting at the Bhoi on Wednesday with various stakeholders. During the meeting, the discussions revolved around only the two areas of differences, Block 2, which falls under Hima Khairiam Sameaship, and Desh Dumra under Hima Milliam Sameaship. It was informed that the other two areas, Nongwa Mautamur and Borduar, will be taken up for discussion in the next meeting. The objective of the meeting was to discuss with the traditional heads before the commencement of the second phase of border settlement with Assam. Tinsong said, as of now, they are trying to collect land documents and other supporting documents.
Block 2. Tekadang sa artli naman ngani Bhoi ngidon southerly kiniki area of differences kawai ka Desh Dumria kade ka bahap hapo ka Hima Melim kani ka Block 2 bapintip ka hapo ka Hima Khairiam tinakalian ka Hima Melim kiawan nakalian joki menteri kiawan nakalian joki rangbasnong banyak kendu banyak pelu cumut hakaba yadei bat kitu ki area ki Jakaparo namar ba kitu ki area ki bengla summit ya kini kisnong kitau how ajak we ban claim na ka sarkar Assam ni discuss kata ka we hadit ka we